So one of the best things about North Idaho is being out on the water. When we moved here, we bought a boat just like this one, a nice Barletta Tri-Toon, and we loved being out on the water with our family. But after the time, the cost associated with it, having to pay for insurance, moorage, registration, maintenance, and just the upkeep of a boat while it depreciates was a lot of money. So we actually decided this year to sell our boat and actually join the boat club that's a new thing at Hagadone Marine, and we're gonna give you 5 reasons why we did that. So you're in North Idaho and you don't have a boat, but you want access to the water and these amazing boats behind me. We're gonna show you the new Hagadone Boat Club and how to get into a boat for cheap. The first reason we sold our boat so that we could join the boat club here at Hagadone Marine is because we wanted a variety. We have teenagers and sometimes we want to go out on an awesome boat, wake surf, wakeboard, whatever it is, pull tubes, just do something a little different than what we could do with our boat. With the boat club, you actually have multiple options. Currently, they have 4 boats in the club. One is a Malibu, that's an amazing wake surf boat. They also have a really nice high-end Cobalt. The third one that they have is a cruiser, just like what we had. It's a Tri-Toon, an upgraded Harris brand that you can go out with a lot of friends on. It's great for the water and hanging out. And then lastly, they have a Barletta Tri-Toon that's set up for fishing. So if you like to fish, now you have that option as well. The second reason why we joined the boat club is the accessibility. We can have up to 3 reservations at a time, which come on 4-hour time blocks, up to 10 days out, anytime that we want. Now, sometimes we stagger these. We'll take a Tri-Toon out when we want to take a lot of friends, but if we want to get aggressive, we want to go wake surf and have some fun down the river, then we'll take out the Malibu. You can select these boats at any time for 4-hour blocks, morning, afternoon, or evening, and you can have up to 3 reservations at a time. Third reason we joined is initial cost. When we eventually bought our boat, it was over 6 figures, and boats like these are really expensive. So to start up, our cost was only $5,400 for the initial startup fee, and we only pay $500 a month from that point forward. We do have to sign a 1-year contract, so it's $6,000 a year. But here's a tip. When I owned a boat, I had to pay $6,000 a year just to store my boat. That didn't include insurance, registration, and all those other costs. The fourth reason that we joined the boat club is because we got rid of all the hassle of owning a boat. We no longer had registration, insurance, moorage, maintenance fees, winterizing, any of those things. The only thing that we have to pay for on top of our monthly payment of $500 a month is the fuel we use. Final reason why we joined the boat club, I really would refer to it as a boat sales club. They want you to buy a boat. So they drop in some of the nicest boats that they have for you to try out. But if we ever choose to buy a boat again at any point, that initiation fee that we originally paid of $5,400 actually gets applied towards the purchase of a boat down the road. So hopefully that answered some questions about what the new boat club is here at Hagadone Marine. If you have questions, further questions about it, want to know more, or you want to know who to contact, give us a call. We'll let you know and we'll get you hooked up.